Hey there, tech fans. Welcome back to my channel, Moses TCG. Are you tired of using complicated softwares to record your voice? Well, today I'm going to show you how to record your voice in Windows 10 like a pro. And the best part, it is super easy and fast. Step 1, open voice recorder app. You can find it in the start menu or by searching the word voice recorder from the search bar. Voice recorder. It is here. I don't need to type the whole word. Okay, once the voice menu opens, we're going to click on record on this icon this icon is for record. Okay, in most cases voice recorder is important. Some people, they use it to record their speech, like if they want to rehearse their speech, they can first record it, they go through the speech, then after mastering it, they will be confident to present the speech somewhere else. Or sometimes some people, they use it, like for example, musicians sometimes use it to record their vocals. Yeah. Now to record something, we press here. Let me just try to test my singing ability and record something. Let me see what I have recorded. Now you can do something more. This will benefit the musicians or songwriters. Like for example, here we are going to right click here and click on open file location. Our file is here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to record another voice over this recorded one. So what you are going to do, we're going to do like this. I'm going to open my my media player. I drag this file and put it here. Now what is going to happen, I'm going to record another voice on the top of this one. Okay. We're going to click on our microphone. Then we shall play this file, this audio file, and add another voice on the top of this one. Okay. We have to repeat it. Okay. It is not perfect, but at least we have recorded something. Let me start it and I see what we have recorded. repeat it. Okay. Okay. As you can see, we have recorded another song, another voice on the top of the first voice. So this is the use of Windows voice recorder. You don't need complicated applications to do that. You can do it yourself. Okay guys, thank you for watching. That is today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends who might find it useful. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.